Weight loss is a journey that involves a balanced diet, regular exercise, and lifestyle changes. One popular aid in this journey is whey protein, a high-quality protein source derived from milk during the cheese-making process. Whey protein is renowned for its easy digestibility and rich amino acid profile, making it an excellent supplement for various fitness and health goals, including weight loss. In this video we will explore how to effectively use whey protein to achieve weight loss, backed by scientific insights and practical tips. Whey protein comes in three primary forms: concentrate, isolate, and hydrolysate. Whey protein concentrate, WPC. This form contains low levels of fat and carbohydrates, with protein content varying between 30% to 90%. It retains more nutrients found in whey, making it a good all-around choice for those looking for a balance between nutrition and cost. While whey protein isolate, WPI, this form is processed to remove fat and lactose, yielding a protein content of 90% or higher. It's ideal for those who are lactose intolerant or seeking a high-protein, low-calorie supplement. And the last is whey protein hydrolysate, WPH. This is a pre-digested form of whey protein that is absorbed faster than the other forms. It's often used in medical protein supplements and infant formulas due to its enhanced digestibility. Let's look at the role of protein in weight loss. Protein is crucial in weight loss for several reasons. Number 1. Satiety. Protein is more satiating than carbohydrates or fats. Consuming protein can help you feel full longer, reducing overall calorie intake. Number 2. Thermogenesis. The body burns more calories digesting protein compared to carbohydrates and fats. This process, known as the thermic effect of food, can slightly boost your metabolism. Number 3. Muscle preservation. During weight loss, it's essential to preserve muscle mass. Protein helps maintain muscle tissue, which is vital for a healthy metabolism and overall strength. Let's talk about how whey protein contribute to weight loss. Whey protein can promote weight loss in various ways. Number 1. Appetite suppression. Whey protein can reduce hunger and increase feelings of fullness. The presence of bioactive peptides in whey can influence hormones such as ghrelin and leptin, which regulate hunger and satiety. Number 2. Improved metabolism. Consuming whey protein can enhance your metabolic rate. Studies have shown that high-protein diets can increase the number of calories burned at rest. Number 3. Muscle maintenance. As you lose weight, preserving lean muscle mass is crucial. Whey protein provides essential amino acids, including leucine, which plays a significant role in muscle protein synthesis. Number 4. Convenience. Whey protein is easy to incorporate into your diet. It can be consumed in various forms, such as shakes, smoothies, and even baked goods, making it a versatile addition to your nutrition plan. How can you incorporate whey protein into your diet? Meal replacement shakes. Replace 1 or 2 meals a day with a whey protein shake. Ensure these shakes are balanced with added fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats to provide a complete meal. Post-workout recovery. Consuming whey protein after workouts can aid in muscle recovery and growth. A post-workout shake with whey protein, a banana, and some almond milk can be both delicious and nutritious. Snacks. Use whey protein to make high-protein snacks. Protein bars, energy balls, and smoothies are excellent options to keep you full between meals. Baking. Incorporate whey protein into your baking recipes. Protein pancakes, muffins, and bread can be a tasty way to boost your protein intake. Here are examples of sample daily meal plan with whey protein. Here's a sample daily meal plan incorporating whey protein for weight loss. Breakfast. Whey protein smoothie. 1 scoop of whey protein. 1 banana. 1 cup of spinach. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. 1 cup of almond milk. Mid-morning snack. Protein balls. 1 cup of oats. 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. 1 scoop of whey protein. 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix and roll into balls. Lunch. Grilled chicken salad. Grilled chicken breast. Mixed greens. Cherry tomatoes. Cucumber. Olive oil and lemon dressing. Afternoon snack. Greek yogurt with whey protein. 1 cup of Greek yogurt, 1 scoop of whey protein, fresh berries. Dinner: baked salmon with quinoa, baked salmon fillet, 1 cup of quinoa, steamed broccoli. Post-dinner snack: whey protein shake, 1 scoop of whey protein, 1 cup of water or almond milk. When you are using whey protein for weight loss, here are things to consider. Number 1. Caloric intake. While whey protein can aid in weight loss, it's essential to monitor your overall caloric intake. Ensure you're in a caloric deficit to lose weight. Number 2. Balanced diet. Don't rely solely on whey protein. A balanced diet with various whole foods is crucial for overall health. Number 3. Exercise. Combine whey protein intake with regular exercise. Strength training is particularly effective for preserving muscle mass during weight loss. Number 4. Hydration. Protein metabolism requires adequate water intake. Ensure you stay hydrated throughout the day. Number 5. Individual needs. Adjust your protein intake based on your body weight, activity level, and specific goals. Consulting a nutritionist or dietitian can provide personalized guidance. Here are potential side effects of using whey protein. While whey protein is generally safe for most people, some may experience side effects. Number 1. Digestive issues. Some individuals may experience bloating, gas, or stomach cramps. This is often due to lactose intolerance or sensitivity to the protein itself. Number 2. Kidney function. High protein intake can strain the kidneys, especially in individuals with pre-existing kidney conditions. Always consult a healthcare professional before significantly increasing protein intake. Number 3. Allergies. Some people may be allergic to whey protein. If you experience any allergic reactions, discontinue use and seek medical advice. Whey protein can be a valuable tool in your weight loss journey. Its ability to promote satiety, boost metabolism, and preserve muscle mass makes it an effective supplement for achieving your weight loss goals. By incorporating whey protein into a balanced diet and combining it with regular exercise, you can enhance your weight loss efforts and improve overall health. Remember, sustainable weight loss is a gradual process. Focus on making healthy, long-term changes to your diet and lifestyle. With consistency and dedication, you can achieve and maintain your desired weight. Thank you for sticking with us in this video. Please make sure to subscribe and to leave a comment. Share this video to your friends and family.